Now for today's quick shot of Sips, Suds, and Smokes.
Hey, this is good old gal Juliana from Sips, Suds, and Smokes. We have our top picks from our show and tell episode entitled Beers That Make You Go, First up is Good Old Boy Kendall.
This is Good Old Boy Kendall, and the beer that makes me go, was our first pick, Smutty Nose Spank. A very interesting but smackingly delicious hoppy saison ale. Lived up to its billing. It was had great tropical aromas and flavors. It had a really good saison character. Had all the farmhouse was there, but yet was balanced with really nice hops that gave it a great just tropical flavor. And we all liked this beer, and we gave it a 4. A body should really not make that sound.
Next up is Reverend Mark.
All right. Well, I am very happy. But I'll also talk about this beer. Stone. The Stone Ruination lives on. I just picked up this bottle of Ruin 10, and that's what we're presenting at this time. 10% alcohol by volume, 110 IBUs. And the question is, did the legacy of this Ruination Ale live on? Did Stone overreach? And the verdict is absolutely not. They really hit on all the right notes at the same time. There's a strong malt backbone to it, a biscuity aspect with a light caramel kind of crunch topping to it. Sounds like we're at the Dairy Queen, maybe.
I was going to say,
But I will say that also the hop regimen is amazing. Reportedly, 5 pounds of hops just in each large cask. So, or is it cask? Barrel. Yeah.
Barrel, cask.
Barrel.
Who's counting?
Crunchy sprinkles, whatever.
Anyway, for my money, and it seems like everybody else around the table here today agrees, I gave it a 4.
Yay. Next up is me, and my beer that I'm going to talk about is the Bizarre Lambic Brut Nature from Oud Bursel in Belgium. It's a collaboration between Oud Bursel and Domus Ad Fontes, which is a vineyard in Belgium. So what's interesting about this beer is that it is a traditional lambic, but it then is also using champagne yeast in a traditional vineyard style. So this beer has been rotated daily for a year and then re-fermented, and we have discovered that this is a beautiful beer. Initially it comes out very crisp and very sharp. The lambic flavor is there, but as it warms up, it turns into a completely different beer that we have all fallen in love with, and we have given this beer a 4. All of these are really great beers to choose from and will help you make a great choice the next time you are picking a beer to enjoy. You can catch more details on a regular episode on this radio station or any other podcast service. This is good old gal Juliana asking you to join us again and keep on sipping.
This has been a One Tan Hand production of Sips, Suds, and Smokes, a program devoted to the appreciation of some of the finer slices of life. From the Dude in the Basement Studios, your hosts, the Good Old Boys, will see you all next time.